It's time to get organized, and one of the best places to start, it's our closet. I know it's tough to get rid of stuff in there because you never know when you might wear those high school jeans again. But certified virtual organization professional, yes, that is her title, Miss Nicole Gabai, is joining us with some ideas. Thank you so much, Nicole, for joining us.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Okay, so is there a difference between decluttering and organizing our closet?
Oh, yes. Very big difference. Basically, with decluttering, you're going to be taking out the obvious, deleting. You're going to be donating items. You're going to be throwing away things that are irreparable. So that's going to be the decluttering part. And that's great. But what happens after you declutter? That's when you start the organizing process.
And what is the most effective way of doing this?
Well, I would say your first start, always have a bag in your closet empty, like a big shopping bag. And every time you try something on and you're like, I don't think I really like that, goes in the bag. And don't even hesitate. You know, if you don't like it while you're wearing it in your closet, then you're definitely not going to wear it out in public. So that's my first tip. My second tip is once you start organizing, one thing you definitely want to have is drawer dividers. I love these. These are by OXO. They get longer and shorter. You put them in the drawer and you lock the clamp. And it's a great way to separate all of your undergarments, your sleepwear, your swimsuits, etc. Another item that I love is a shoe organizer. So this is a fabulous little tool, inexpensive, and helps you get double the amount of storage space in your closet for shoes. So those are my two biggest tips.
Those are some great tips to have. I love the shoe organizer. Those are definitely needed in my closet. And when we're tackling these big projects, should we do it over time or should we just dedicate it one day and knock it all out in one day?
Ooh, that's a good question. No, don't do it all in one day or one weekend. When people do that, they burn out. So you really want to start with a 3-hour session. That's good enough. If you did every day 3 hours, you'd be done in no time. But say you dedicate 3 hours on a Saturday, and that's it. That will make a huge dent.
I did that actually recently when I did spring cleaning in my entire house. It took me an entire month, but I dedicated time every Saturday to okay, I'll do 2 hours here, 2 hours next Saturday, and I'm done. It worked.
Perfect. See, and eventually the project is complete.
Okay, so we're looking for storage. Do you have any options for us for affordable storage for our closets and everything?
Well, definitely the little shoe organizer that I mentioned. I love that for storage. As many shelves as possible. And I always say to people, get adjustable shelving. And a lot of times we think, I don't have room for this. But sometimes it's only a matter of taking good measurements and then changing the level of a shelf. Once you do that, you are amazed at how many more things you can store and how efficient that is. So, I'm a gadget person. I love my closet gadgets. There's everything from pull-out hanging racks where someone can hang belts, or for the ladies, necklaces. Or you can have something where you hang your purses on a multi-prong gadget that sticks to the wall. So I'm a big fan of using all your vertical space, using the wall space where you can. I guess those would be my top tips.
Nicole, you've given us some great tips, but I gotta ask, the title of Certified Virtual Organization Professional, what exactly is that?
I'm glad you asked. I am one of only about 100 people in the world that are certified as a virtual organizing professional. And what that basically is, it's a step-by-step guided organizing process by which we do this one-on-one. I work with clients on a virtual platform, and it's done in real time. And basically, it's a 1-hour session, which is kind of intense, but you get so much done. And I am seeing my client's space. They use their phone, and I can be anywhere in the world. My clients can be anywhere, including Arizona. And I think it's the future of organizing. So we create customized solutions. I'm like your virtual manual. So I'm your instruction manual on how to put together a very organized closet or kitchen or pantry, anywhere in your house, really. And I help you create sustainable systems. And it's been very effective.
Anything virtual or digital is definitely the way of the future. So, Ms. Nicole Gabai, you are on the right path. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.